we're going to put together this little desktop Christmas countdown with the sheets that you have here. There are directions on the sheet, but here's a little visual aid for you. We're going to start out by cutting out those 3 pieces and all the little numbers. Cut all the way across on this strip and keep those 2 white rectangles. Cut out the pocket. And then you're going to cut out this red circle. And I used a 1-inch punch to do that. Then you're going to cut out all of 25 of those countdown cards. And I'm not going to make you watch that. So voila, there they are. Now you're going to score in 3 places on the base. Fold those ends, and then you're going to glue right on those green spots on the edge there and on the semicircle. There, stick your red dot down, gluing only half of the red dot, and then glue 3 edges and put your pocket in place. And finally, glue the bottom and put those base rectangles together so it stands up. Tuck your numbers in, take your days out, put it in there. Next day, take it out, put the next day's number in, and you have a desktop countdown.